And welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be going outside. I'm actually pretty excited for it. Man, let me try that intro again. That intro is crap. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today, I know I haven't made a video in like 2 days, or since last night, but I'm going to be going outside, and it is almost dark out. Like, you can like see through the window. No, no gear, guys. No gear. But here we go. Three, two. Oh. Dang. Oh, you can even. You guys. Oh, I thought he saw. Oh. What? Those chairs were not there when I walked out here the first time. This is way too cold out. But dude, we gotta go back inside and investigate. We'll come back out in a little bit. Those chairs were not there when I first walked outside.
Yeah, they were.
What? I did not push the chair there, though. Seriously. Man, I don't know, but we have to do some research on my fake computer. Yeah. I do have a computer. Joking. And Jacksepticeye. Joking, there's nothing. I can do this video for an hour and I didn't even get no likes.
I know, right?
Help? No. I'm gonna go back outside. It is really cold. I'm gonna put some gear on. Maybe one glove so I can control the video. Gracie, not here, so. It will be. See you guys in a bit. You guys are the only ones who can actually see these snowflakes. Really, though. Maybe can I get a zoom in? Yeah. Don't worry, Gracie will be here. I'll make a part 2. If this video gets I will make a new YouTube channel and delete this one. I'm joking. If this video gets 6 views, we're going for 6 views, I will make a part 2 of this. But once my parents goes, I don't know how, but there's nothing even here. And the snow is stacking up pretty hard. Look, it's already on the skates. How did I get past those shirts? Dude, I need to get inside. I'm not Oh, we're gonna clean the phone off. Had the phone zoomed in. Oh, hold on, guys. Had the phone zoomed in all the way. Oh crap, phone's upside down. So you guys can see me better. There was a dark and scary night. My fingers are red from that. Bruh. Ow. This is gonna be good. That could scare you. Crap. What?
What are you doing?
Anyways, bye.